India celebrated the 76th Republic Day today as a chief guest. Indonesia's President Prabowo attended the Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. Around 31 tableaux participated in the parade as well. Prime Minister Modi led the nation in paying homage to the fallen soldiers at the National War Memorial in Delhi. Prime Minister Modi also signed the ceremonial book at the National War Memorial in Delhi. Prime Minister Modi then arrived at the Kartavya Path for the 76th Republic Day parade and received President Draupadi Murmu and the President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, who was the chief guest. President Draupadi Murmu unfurled the national flag at Kartavya Path, followed by the national anthem and 21-gun salute. The theme for the tableau at the Republic Day Parade 2025 was Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. India's progress in various sectors like technology, infrastructure and cultural heritage was showcased. A 352-member marching and band contingent from Indonesia participated in the parade. The parade also featured many other firsts, such as the Tri-Services tableau, which depicted the spirit of jointness among the armed forces. A celebration of cultural heritage and military prowess was on display at the Kartavya Path. 31 colourful tableaus of states and ministries rolled down along the stunningly coordinated marching contingents of defence forces, followed by a flypast that enthralled the spectators with a variety of formations. Indonesian President was the chief guest at the Republic Day Parade at Kartavya Path, which commenced with the arrival of President Draupadi Murmu along with the Indonesian counterpart in traditional buggy escorted by President's bodyguard. Around 10,000 guests were invited to witness the Republic Day Parade, which is in line with the government's objective to increase Jan Bhagidari in events of national importance. These guests were different from different walks of life and included the best performers in various fields and those who made the best use of the schemes of the government. The ceremony commenced with the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the National War Memorial, where he led the nation in paying tribute to the fallen heroes by laying a wreath. As per tradition, the national flag was then unfurled, followed by the national anthem with a thunderous 21-gun salute using 105 mm light field guns, which is an indigenous weapon system. So the highlights of the Republic Day Parade were, of course, the Mi-17 choppers, which showered flowers on a jubilant crowd, a crowd of about 10,000 that had come from across the country to witness the iconic Republic Day Parade. The parade, which began with Mi-17 1V helicopter showering flower petals in the Dhwaj formation, led by Group Captain Alok Ehlawat, following which the President took the salute as the parade commenced, commanded by Parade Commander Lieutenant General Bhavnish Kumar and Parade Second-in-Command Major General Sumit Mehta. The parade featured the recipients of the highest gallantry awards, including Paramveer Chakra winners Subedar Major Yogendra Singh Yadav and Subedar Major Sanjay Kumar, along with Ashok Chakra winner Lieutenant Colonel Jasram Singh, for their exceptional bravery and self-sacrifice. Now, for the first time, a Tri-Services tableau rolled down a Kartavya Path with the theme Shashakt or Surakshit Bharat. The tableau depicted a joint operations room facilitating networking and communication among the three services.
Known as the Falcons of Chump and CHM Durgesh Kumar, CQMH Sujit.
This year, 5,000 artists from different parts of the country performed over 45 dance forms in an 11-minute cultural performance in a title of Jayati Jaya Mama Bharatam. For the first time, the performance covered the entire Kartavya Path from Vijay Chowk to Sea Hexagon for all guests, so that all guests get the same viewing experience. Now, an all-women CRPF contingent was also one of the highlights of this Republic Day. Among the contingents marching down the Kartavya Path was a 148-member all-women marching contingent of Central Reserve Police Force, led by Assistant Commandant Aishwarya Joy M. For the second time, an all-women band formed the Delhi Police Band, led by Bandmaster Riyaguno Kense. The Delhi Police marching contingent was led by Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police Rishi Kumar Singh. There was also an Indonesian contingent, a march past by the marching contingent of Indonesian National Armed Forces and military band of Indonesia's military academy also passed through Kartavya Path. The marching contingent consisted of 152 members with 190 members in the military band. There also was a veterans tableau, which was another highlight of the Republic Day parade, on the theme of Viksit Bharat, Ki Or Sadaiv Agrasar.
Consisting of 51 male and 49 female. Today the band playing Desh Ke Hum Hai Raksha. The CRPF band has the distinction of having won number of competitions.
Going past the saluting base, the NCC Girls Marching Contingent. Senior Wing Girls Contingent Commander, Senior Under Officer Ekta Kumari, JNK and Ladakh Directorate, proudly leading this contingent of 148 girl cadets. Mountaineering, rafting, paragliding, excelled in all these.
This contingent that you see on your screen, the iconic march past on the Kartavya Path, which is in line with Prime Minister Modi's Nari Shakti vision, where he has always focused on empowering women. We see the women contingent marching past with President Draupadi Murmu saluting at them.
And Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara.
Piyush Mishra is joining us live on the broadcast from Delhi. Piyush, give us a sense of what were the highlights of this year's Republic Day.
Well, Chetna, today we are celebrating 76th Republic Day. Today we have also completed 75 years of adopting Constitution of India. Remember that on 26 January 1950 we had adopted our Constitution, and today we have completed 75 years, and that is why the government had also given the theme of Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas of Republic Day. And on this theme itself, around 31 tableaux were showcased, in which cultural diversity and the power, militia power of our country was also shown. Out of these 31 tableaux, 16 were of various states and union territories, and 15 tableaux were of multiple state government ministries and also on other departments. These tableaux were also on the theme of Viksit Bharat. Remember that Prime Minister has also always been talking about how to become Viksit, and all these tableaux were also focused on that. So out of these 31, 16 were of various state governments and union territories, 15 were of various government ministries and other departments. In fact, these tableaux were also showcasing about the journey of Constitution of India as we have completed 75 years. Two tableaux were basically focused on the Constitution of India. So these were the few highlights of this entire Republic Day parade. We also had Indonesian President as the chief guest. Every year when we celebrate our Republic Day, we see Rashtriya Adhyaksh of our country taking part as the chief guest, and this time we had Indonesian President. So it was basically started with the wreath-laying ceremony, which was done by PM Narendra Modi along with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. CDS was also there along with all three service chiefs were there at National War Memorial, after which PM Narendra Modi moved to the saluting dais where he met with our chief guest and other dignitaries, and after that we saw at 10:30 the parade also started. It went on for 90 minutes where we showcased various tableaux, various cultural performances were also shown, highlighting India's cultural diversity and also the might of all our three parts of our Sena. So these were the few highlights of today's Republic Day parade. Also remember that the awards have also been announced yesterday by the government, and Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and other awards will be distributed in coming few days.
Piyush, this was a Republic Day of many firsts, and there was also the first time ever that a tri-services tableau was on the Republic, in part of the cavalcade. Give us more details about that.
Well, absolutely. For the first time, we also saw as to how trial services were part of tableau of Republic Day parade, and it is happening because we have completed our 75 years. Earlier also we have seen other tableaus taking part, but this time there were various highlights of Republic Day parade in which PM Narendra Modi, along with various dignitaries, various central government ministers had taken part. 16 tableaus were highlighting the cultural diversity of multiple states and union territories. 15 tableaus were basically focused on various ministries of Indian government and other departments. So there were multiple highlights of Republic Day parade. Through this, we have also shown as to how we have different cultural diversities, and our military power was also shown to the world. So different things were shown. Many of them were first time and unique, which was shown in today's Republic Day parade.
Piyush, stay with us. I'm going to come back to you for more on this. But in the meanwhile, India commenced grand celebrations on the occasion of its 76th Republic Day. Let's take a look at some of the stories on how the grand event was celebrated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the nation in paying homage to the fallen soldiers at the National War Memorial in Delhi. Prime Minister Modi marked the beginning of the 76th Republic Day celebrations by laying wreath and paying homage to the fallen heroes. Prime Minister Modi also signed the visitors' book before departing for the saluting dais at the Kartavya Path. He was accompanied by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received President Draupadi Murmu and President of Indonesia Prabowo Subianto at Kartavya Path for the 76th Republic Day celebrations. President Subianto attended the function as the chief guest this year.
Cultural and trade links with shared religious traditions.
President Draupadi Murmu unfurled the national flag at Kartavya Path on the occasion of the 76th Republic Day. The ceremony was followed by national anthem and 21-gun salute. Now, India celebrated the 76th Republic Day today as a chief guest. Indonesia's President Prabowo attended the Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. Around 31 tableaus participated in the parade. Prime Minister Modi led the nation in paying homage to the fallen soldiers at the National War Memorial in Delhi. Prime Minister Modi also signed the ceremonial book at the National War Memorial in Delhi. Then Prime Minister Modi arrived at the Kartavya Path for the 76th Republic Day parade and received President Draupadi Murmu and the President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, the chief guest. President Draupadi Murmu unfurled the national flag at Kartavya Path, followed by the national anthem and 21-gun salute. The theme for the tableau at the Republic Day Parade 2025 was Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. India's progress in various sectors like technology, infrastructure and cultural heritage was showcased. A 352-member marching and band contingent from Indonesia participated in the parade. The parade also featured many other firsts, such as the Tri-Services tableau, which depicted the spirit of jointness among the armed forces.
यहाँ कल्प वृक्ष के भी दर्शन कीजिए, जो इच्छा पूर्ति का सूचक है, जो बाद में सोने की चिड़िया में बदल जाता है. शहर चंडीगढ़ के बाद विरासत भी और विकास भी के मंत्र से प्रेरित
moment of pride for all these performers over here to be.
The Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path in Delhi displayed India's cultural diversity, military prowess through tableaus, marching contingents and performances. India's military prowess was at display at the Grand Republic Day Parade. Stunningly coordinated marching contingents of defense forces, followed by a flypast, enthralled the spectators with a variety of formations. The aerial parade began with the flag formation, featuring 4 Mi-17 helicopters carrying the Indian national flag, along with the flags representing the 3 branches of the Indian Armed Forces. 3 MiG-29s in Qatar formation, 5 Jaguar aircraft in Amrit formation, 6 Rafale jets performing the Vajrang formation, 3 Sukhoi 30s in the Trishul formation enthralled the audience. The spectacular flypast culminated in the Vijay formation and a breathtaking vertical Charlie maneuver by Rafale fighter jets.
Pure fighter formations in the lead, Jaguars. Jaguar, a versatile twin-engine strike aircraft known for its robust design and adaptability, capable of performing in challenging environment and thus a valuable asset for close air support, precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. And there you can see 5 Jaguars in arrow formation, formation led by
भारतीय वायुसेना के शौर्य और साहस का परिचय अब बारी है
Beam formation. Now gracing the skies is the awe-inspiring beam formation. Leading this majestic display is the C-17 Globemaster, a true embodiment of power, endurance and reliability in the air.
Beam formation में एक C-17 और 2
Shivani Sharma is going to join us live on the broadcast for more on this. Shivani, you know, the parade covered the entire Kartavya Path. Do you think this enhanced the experience of the audience that was there?
Chetna, it has been yet another spectacular display of military might, cultural diversity and self-reliance at the Kartavya Path. And the crowd, as you see, is full of excitement out here. They are leaving the Kartavya Path now after watching this glorious Republic Day parade. And this 90-minute parade was so full of thrill that everybody wanted to capture it in their eyes forever. आपने परेड देखी, कैसा लगा आपको? कितनी खुशी हुई भारत की इतनी क्षमताएं?
मैं लास्ट मोमेंट पे वायुसेना का प्रदर्शन देख रहा था और मेरा दिल मतलब 56 इंच की छाती जो कहते हैं ना वो हो गया. लाइक जो 30 मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये सदी भारत की सदी है.
There's a lot of color out here. If we can show you, these are all artists who had come from across the country. They have gathered here. They were presenting a beautiful presentation out there. अगर इनसे हम बात करने की कोशिश करें, आप कहाँ से आए हो?
महाराष्ट्र.
बहुत अच्छा आपने किया डांस, जो बहुत कितना प्रैक्टिस इसके लिए किया था?
1 महीना प्रैक्टिस किया मैडम.
1 महीना लगातार प्रैक्टिस किया. और पहली बार इस तरह का हुआ है कि एक साथ इतने सारे?
हाँ, इससे करीब से करीब 5,000 ये आर्टिस्ट एक साथ आए, पहली बार है.
Chetna, we saw how the contingents were marching. We also saw the equipment display, the cavalry out there. We saw the BrahMos, the Pralay missile, the Akash missile system, the Sanjay surveillance system, and a magnificent flypast with 40 aircraft in different formations. So everybody was thrilled to see all these capabilities of the Indian Armed Forces and also the achievements of the states in terms of their tableaus. We saw how the Tri-Services tableau was there, the tableau of Gujarat that showcased C-295 Airbus that is being indigenous, that is being made in Vadodara. We saw the Lakhpati Didi theme in one of the tableaus of rural development, and so much more color and strength of India was there at Kartavya Path. And we also saw the chief guest, Indonesia's president, enjoying this whole spectacular show. There was a contingent from Indonesia to 352 contingent, the soldiers from Indonesia, the Army, Navy, Air Force of Indonesia, they were there. The band was there, and everybody enjoyed every moment of this parade. And we also saw how the Indian Army's different contingents of 6 different regiments were there. DRDO's tableau that showcased Raksha Kavach, how we are giving a protection to our borders and how we are enhancing the power of our defense forces. Everything was actually a matter of being proud. And we also saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi enjoying the whole show, because whenever a tableau was crossing, whenever a contingent was crossing, he was waving, and there were continuous claps, applaud during the parade that we witnessed there. So there were literally goosebumps when we were watching that parade, because everything Just see the color out here. These artists who were performing at Kartavya Path, they are now leaving. They've put in a hard work. कहाँ से आए हो आप?
हम हरियाणा से हैं।
आपने जो झांकी के साथ डांस किया था, कौन सा डांस था?
हमारा डांस फॉर्म घूमर है और हम हरियाणा से बिलोंग करते हैं।
कितनी प्रैक्टिस आप लोगों ने की थी?
हमने 1 महीने प्रैक्टिस करी थी और
Right, Shivani, keep bringing us the latest with what's happening at the Kartavya Path. There are obviously a lot of attendees, enthusiastic attendees who came to witness the parade.